Hey everybody, this is your last chance, if you haven't registered yet, to attend my final expense carrier underwriting and application training program. This is going to be held virtually this Friday, November 20th from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you are an agent who is newer or just getting started or maybe experienced and you want a deep dive on more than 20 plus of the most major final expense and even some of the minor final expense carriers that are out there, then this training is for you. If you're looking for advice on how to underwrite your prospects more effectively, if you're looking for help picking the right carriers in order to write the best price carriers with the best quality of coverage so that you can keep more of your business and prevent frustrating replacements, then this training is absolutely for you. So let me give you a little bit more details exactly on what you can expect this Friday. And by the way, if you're interested in doing this, the links are going to be below. You'll see the links where you can buy directly off of PayPal. Then on Thursday, I'm going to send you some links in order to join so you know where to go. And if you can't attend this thing live, I'm recording it all, by the way, so you can always watch it at future intervals. So first of all, again, this is held virtually. You can just sit back in your easy chair from the comfort of your own home and watch this all day long boot camp with me hosting it. We're going to cover, again, 20 plus different final expense carriers, all of their underwriting niches, why you would write them, why you wouldn't write them. We're going to talk through the applications. We're going to talk through the application processes. By the end, the promise I'm going to give to you is you're going to feel more confident, more comfortable with the application process with each final expense carrier, and more in a position to write better business. You're also going to be in a position to where you're going to learn my step-by-step process in underwriting. Underwriting is not simple. A lot of people think it is. There's a little bit more moving parts, and there's some clarity some agents need in understanding how to most effectively underwrite their prospects so they can give their clients the best deal. So I'm going to give you some kind of tips and tactics to do that. And this is going to be relevant whether you're a face-to-face agent or a over-the-phone telesales agent. I don't care how you're selling. The training we're going to cover is going to cover both the gamut of these major carriers for face-to-face and those major carriers for over-the-phone. So you're going to get training for both of those. So I'm also throwing in some free bonuses too. I've got another an ironclad money-back guarantee I'll cover in a minute as well. Bonuses, what are you going to get just by joining this event? First of all, you're going to get 2 months free of my Insurance Agent Inner Circle program. Usually runs $97 a month. You get it for 2 months free. All three of my books in ebook format are going to be yours for free as well. You get a one-on-one coaching call session with me, complimentary bonus as for buying into this program. And you get my final expense underwriting worksheet and cheat sheet to help you identify sales opportunities based off of underwriting, to have easy access to all of these carriers we're going to talk about, and direct point-and-click access to agent guides, rate guides, etc. Make it super easy for you. And again, my promise here, bottom line, is I want to help you guys out there, new, getting started, experienced, maybe not even licensed yet. Keep more of your final expense sales, prevent more of your policies from getting replaced, and simply, bottom line, make more money for your efforts in the field. And I back all of this promises by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Essentially what this means is try my program out. If you don't see any reason to have it after you watch it, if you feel like it was a waste of time, or if you just change your mind, it doesn't really matter what your opinion is or what you think, simply just let me know. And I will refund you the full purchase price, and you get to keep the bonuses as my way of thanking you for at least trying this out. So bottom line, what is this going to cost you? Very simple. There's two purchase options. We're keeping this boot camp relatively low to some of our other ones that we've done because we want to make it more accessible to everybody. You have two purchase options. Again, they're both below. Number one, you can do a one-time purchase of $199. That'll give you immediate access this Friday and lifetime access to all the modules thereafter, and of course all the bonuses. If you'd prefer to pay this over the course of 2 months to have a lower upfront investment, there is a second option where you can pay for 2 months at $125 each month to have all of the same goodies. So again, right now I have around 10 or 9 spots left in this thing, and we should get pretty close to booking this out. So if this is something you want, once the bookings are done, I'm closing this off. I'm not going to accept anybody else. This is going to be a pretty big event anyway. And last but not least, most importantly, this registration ends tonight. Tonight at midnight, Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to cut off all new registrations so I know exactly who's going to attend, and then start sending out all the bonuses, the login links to get you set up for Friday's Zoom call. So this is your last opportunity to do this. If you are serious about final expense underwriting, you need help, and you'd like a pro to help you out and give you advice on how to make the most of your underwriting efforts, this final expense carrier training is the one to be at. And my promise to you, my guarantee is that you're going to get actionable value from start to finish, and you're not going to regret making the investment. Of course, you have nothing to lose since you've got our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what do you do next? Very simple. There should be some links below in the box. Just hit the description box, buy the ticket that best suits you, and we will see you this Friday, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to learn more about your final expense carriers and their underwriting advantages. Thank you so much for watching. See you then. Bye.